The United States is the most incarcerated nation in the world, with over 7 million men and women in prison, on probation, or parole. Each year, over 630,000 inmates are released from prison. They're often unprepared to face the extreme obstacles to return to society. They struggle to find jobs. They often live in subpar housing. Their basic needs are often unmet. In fact, over 2/3 of inmates will be rearrested in the first 3 years following their release. Why does it happen? It's called recidivism, defined as repeated or habitual relapse as unto crime. Another way to look at it is the cycle. From criminal activity to arrest and incarceration, release to an unforgiving society, which leads back to criminal activity. Many people think it's easy to escape the cycle, but the common options are often limited and unrealistic. Welcome to The Cycle. To find your way out, spin the wheel. Try to find a good-paying job with a criminal record. A low-paying job fuels the lure for fast money and illegal activities. The cycle continues. Another option is to become an extrapreneur. An extrapreneur is a person who reduces their risk of incarceration through legal business operations. It is a legal alternative to hustling activities. The extrapreneur recognizes that it's sometimes better to make your own way out. Take me, for example. I grew up in an urban city surrounded by drugs and violence and was even arrested by age 18. Now, I head a profitable business, travel globally, own a beautiful home with a pool, and enjoy a sizable income. How did I do it? I became an extrapreneur. Now, I'd like to show you how to do the same. Are you or someone you know ready to escape the cycle or avoid it altogether? Take action now.